Hello, welcome to our cuisine. Today we're gonna be making attike, attike with poisson, with fish. I just want to speak French, cause this is our food. We got fish, you know. Also we got those vegetables. We got tomato, raw onion, green peppers, also cucumbers. Those are the ingredients I'm going to be using. We have these are the two seasoning I'm going to be using for the fish. Before I fry the fish, make sure I marinate very well with the seasoning. Make sure it's nice and tasty. We got the oil right now. Just put the oil in the pot. It's gonna get warm, and we're just gonna start the fish. And right now the oil it's already ready. You just have to fry the fish now. Alright, just like this. Ooh, too hot. Too hot. So right now the fish is frying, and what I'm going to do, I am going to put this in the microwave. This is the attike. What I'm going to do, you just have to make sure this is defrost. You're going to put a little bit of water on it, and then you put it in the microwave, and then you can just cook it from there. Let's see what's going to happen after. Okay, this is attike, and I just put it in the microwave. I put it on 8 minutes. It was just cooking. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. It looks very dry right now. It's not ready, so we're gonna add more water to it. So it could be more wet. Okay. Hold on. You gotta take water just like this in your hand and put it on it. Just like that. There you go. Put it all over. Don't be scared. Don't put too much water, but just put water, enough water to it. And then you're gonna just mix it. Mix it. Mix it well. Make sure you break all the small one, the particles, and then you can put it back to the microwave. Right now the fish is almost ready. Let's put this in the microwave. The final area. What I just did, we cut it off all the vegetables to the small pieces. This is the fun part. You make sure you put some seasoning on the vegetable. Also put oil and the vinegar. Or you can use lemon if you can. Lemon, you can do that. That's okay. Make sure it's nice seasoning on it, and then this is the fun part. See this little cube magic? This is very, very, very good. This is what you're gonna use for the final part. You make sure you mix it very well, and then you add this sauce to it. And then this is the fish that I just fried. You put that on top, and that's it. It's ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final product, and this is attike. I just finished making it. It's ready to eat. Very easy step to follow. Remember, first thing I did, and I'll show you all the ingredients. You cut some vegetables, seasoning the fish, you fry the fish, and then you put all the ingredient into the vegetables, and then you put a little cube Maggi to it and mix it up with your hand. After that, you just put the thing on top and put a little oil on. Add the fish, and that's it. This is attike, the final product. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Support. We really need your support, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.